Hi, I'm Jeff Robinson from Tilecroft Farms. My wife and I, Eleanor Robinson, operate this dairy farm. We milk 80 Ayrshire cattle. The family business has been in operation since 1943, so we're the third generation to operate the farm, which is located just south of Ottawa. We operate on about 165 acres. Well, we decided to go solar for a couple of reasons. One was we wanted to reduce our carbon footprint, and the other was we wanted to reduce costs. And there's a net metering program that we're on, and with rising prices of hydro down the road, the net metering is a good option. So there's lots of different permits, so you needed someone to help you with that, or I did anyway. So that would be an obstacle. If you were trying to do it yourself, you'd find it very cumbersome. From start to finish, there was no issues with green integrations. They're easy to work with. They walk you through the steps because it can be a complicated process. So they walk you through everything, spell it all out on paper so you can see black and white what you're investing and what your return is. They are kind of a family feel when you dealt with them, and that appealed to us. We installed a 65 kilowatt system on our barn roof, and that produces about 94,000 kilowatt hours for the year. And that should supply us between 70 and 80% of our hydro needs. It actually doesn't really change anything on the operation of the farm. Everything's just tickly-boo once it's hooked up. But the big thing is, yeah, we're going to be saving, we could potentially save up to $15,000 a year on our hydro. The follow-up was very good. In fact, their engineer will, from time to time, just contact us. And at one point, we had our Wi-Fi go down, and he contacted me wondering if the system wasn't working. Well, it was just that our Wi-Fi was off. We just received the last 4 months where we got credits, so we aren't paying anything for our hydro. We wanted to do something for the environment, and we do feel that getting the use of the sun to make power is beneficial. The dairy industry is also faced with being carbon neutral in the years to come, and going solar just makes us a little proactive, and we'll be ready for that.